Are you looking for a house for rent in Wrightwood, California? I know it can be tough. Today I'm going to show you a full-time rental in Wrightwood, California. I'll show you the front yard, the neighborhood, the backyard, and all through the inside of the house. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it saved you some time. If you have any questions about this house, or any other houses for that matter, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact info is in the description below.